Most men lose around 100 hairs every single day. Maybe you have noticed it too. Hair on your pillow, hair in your hands every time you shampoo. And slowly, it keeps getting worse. But here is what most guys do not realize. It is not just genetics. Most of the damage is coming from your daily habits. The things you do every single day are silently destroying your hair without you even knowing it. And if you do not fix these habits now, a few years from today, you could end up looking like this. Today, I will show you the 5 biggest mistakes that are quietly killing your hair over time. Let's start. Number 1. Washing your hair every day. This is one of the most common mistakes men make. Shampoo removes dirt and buildup from your scalp, but it also removes your natural oils. And those oils are important. They protect your scalp and keep your roots healthy. When you wash your hair every single day, your scalp becomes dry and irritated. That can lead to dandruff, weaker roots, and frizzy hair. Then your scalp reacts by producing even more oil to fix the dryness. So your hair gets greasy again, and you shampoo again. That is how the cycle starts. Dry scalp, extra oil, more shampoo, more damage. The fix is simple. Wash your hair only 2 to 3 times a week and use a sulfate-free shampoo to keep your scalp healthy. Number 2. Avoiding sunlight. A lot of guys avoid sunlight because they are scared of tanning. But sunlight gives your body vitamin D. And low vitamin D can weaken your hair. When your vitamin D is low, your hair becomes weaker, thinner, and more brittle. It may also shed more. The fix is simple. Get 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight a few times a week. That is enough for most people. And if you cannot get enough sunlight, you can take a vitamin D3 supplement, but only after consulting a doctor. It is one of the easiest and most overlooked ways to support healthy hair. Number 3. Ignoring the early signs. Most guys notice the early signs of hair thinning and ignore them. They only take it seriously later when the hair loss has already progressed. And that is the mistake, because the earlier you catch it, the easier it is to control. Here is a simple habit that can help. Take a photo of your hairline and the top of your head every week. Use the same angle and the same lighting each time. Then compare the photos over time. If you notice consistent thinning, that is your sign to act early, because catching it early gives you the best chance to stop it. Number 4. Waiting too long to take action. This is the mistake that costs the most. If your hairline is receding or your crown is thinning, do not ignore it and hope it fixes itself. It will not. Hair treatments work best when your roots are still active. The earlier you act, the more hair you can save. But once the roots are gone, bringing them back becomes much harder. So if you notice consistent thinning or shedding, see a dermatologist early. Do not wait until the damage is already done. Number 5. Trusting quick fixes. This mistake wastes the most time. Hair oils, home remedies, and random internet hacks usually do not fix the real cause of hair loss. At best, they make your hair look better temporarily. But if your hair loss is genetic, no oil or home remedy will stop it. That needs proper treatment, so stop wasting time on shortcuts. See a dermatologist, find the real cause, and follow a treatment plan backed by science. If you want to keep your hair, act early, be consistent, and stop relying on myths that have never been proven to work. The men who still have great hair in their 30s and 40s are usually the ones who took it seriously in their 20s. If you want more content on grooming health and improving yourself, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.